Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Discover the ultimate way to care for your garden. The best gardening tool set provides everything you need for planting, pruning, and maintaining vibrant greenery. Durable, ergonomic, and versatile, it makes every gardening task easier and more enjoyable. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Green-a-Bow Garden Tool Set. The Green-a-Bow Garden Tool Set is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a durable, stylish, and complete gardening kit. Made from high-quality stainless steel, the tools are built to withstand regular use without rusting, bending, or losing their shape. This ensures that you have a reliable set of gardening essentials for years to come. The set includes 8 different tools plus a convenient storage bag, covering everything from pruning and weeding to transplanting and cultivating. Each piece features a sturdy, non-slip wooden handle that is ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in your hands, making it easier for both kids and seniors to use without strain. Whether you're digging, trimming, or planting, these tools deliver efficiency and comfort. One of the highlights of this set is the floral patterned garden tote bag, which is not only highly practical, but also adds a touch of charm to your gardening routine. It's made from durable material and has multiple compartments for organizing tools neatly. Additionally, the tools feature built-in hanging holes for easy storage when not in use. The Green-a-Bow Garden Tool Set blends durability, usability, and design, making it an ideal gift for gardening enthusiasts or a great upgrade for anyone looking to organize their gardening essentials. Number 2. Melon Art Garden Tool Set. The Melon Art Garden Tool Set is a complete and practical kit for anyone serious about gardening. This 10-piece set comes with all the essentials, including a folding saw, serrated trowel, small trowel, cultivator, hand rake, pruner, weeder, gardening gloves, and a spacious tote bag. Constructed from heavy-duty aluminum alloy, the tools are rust-resistant and designed to last, even when working in tough soil conditions like dense clay or sandy terrain. Each piece is reinforced for durability, ensuring reliable performance through every season. The ergonomic non-slip handles make working with these tools comfortable and reduce hand fatigue, allowing for longer gardening sessions with less effort. The natural design of the handles blends seamlessly with outdoor use, providing both comfort and style. Storage is also made simple with the large tote bag, which features ample interior space and compartments for organizing all your tools neatly. This means you'll never waste time looking for the right tool again. The addition of protective gloves makes this set even more practical, keeping your hands safe during tasks like pruning or weeding. Perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike, the Melon Art Garden Tool Set combines sturdiness, functionality, and convenience, making it a reliable companion for all your gardening needs. Number 3. Play 22 Garden Tool Set. The Play 22 Garden Tool Set is a versatile and well-thought-out option for those who want a compact yet complete gardening kit. It includes essential tools such as a weeder, hand fork, hand rake, transplanter, trowel, pruner, spray bottle, gloves, and a sturdy carrying bag. Made from strong steel, these tools are built to last while being resistant to rust and breakage. The ergonomic handles add to the comfort, ensuring that users of all ages can enjoy gardening without straining their hands. One of the most appealing aspects of this set is its balance of durability and gentleness. The tools are designed to handle tough soil and weeds, but are delicate enough to avoid damaging the roots of your plants. This makes them particularly useful for planting, transplanting, and maintaining a healthy garden. The included storage bag keeps everything neatly organized with elastic straps to secure the tools in place so you won't have to worry about misplacing items. Whether you're a beginner or someone who simply wants a reliable set of hand tools, this kit makes tending to your plants easy and convenient. It's also a great gift idea for gardening enthusiasts, offering both practicality and quality in one package. Number 4. 5Joy Garden Tool Set. The 5Joy Garden Tool Set is a thoughtfully designed all-in-one gardening kit making it a standout option for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. This 11-piece set includes everything you need for a well-rounded gardening experience: large trowel, transplanter, hand rake, cultivator, weeder, pruning shears, pruning snips, 100-foot rope, handheld sprayer, claw gloves, and a rugged Oxford tote bag. The tools are crafted from 3mm thick cast aluminum, offering excellent strength and durability while being rust and corrosion resistant. This makes them suitable for tackling even challenging soil conditions while ensuring long-term use. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip and include hanging holes for easy storage. The tote bag is another highlight, made from 600D Oxford fabric with elastic cords and deep pockets to keep everything organized and protected. Whether you're pruning, digging, planting, or weeding, this set ensures you have the right tool at hand. What sets it apart is its gift-ready presentation, making it a perfect choice for occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays. Loved by beginners for its convenience and by experienced gardeners for its quality, the 5-Joy Garden Tool Set combines practicality, durability, and thoughtful design. It's a reliable companion that makes gardening tasks easier and more enjoyable. Number 5. Hoheim Garden Tool Set. The Hoheim Garden Tool Set takes functionality to the next level with its clever design and versatile features. This 10-piece kit not only includes essential gardening tools like pruning shears, weeders, transplanters, and cultivators, but also comes with a foldable steel frame stool that doubles as a comfortable seat. The stool is built with a sturdy stainless steel frame and strong polyester canvas, capable of supporting up to 220 pounds, which makes long hours in the garden much more enjoyable. The tools themselves are crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring they remain sharp and effective for years. Ergonomic wooden handles with hanging holes provide both comfort and easy storage, making them suitable for children, seniors, and anyone in between. A detachable tote bag with multiple pockets offers convenient organization and portability, so you can carry your tools and supplies wherever you need them. This set also makes a wonderful gift, whether for parents, friends, or anyone passionate about gardening, thanks to its balance of practicality and thoughtful design. Perfect for digging, planting, or pruning, the Hoheim Garden Tool Set with seat transforms gardening into a more comfortable and organized activity, making it an excellent companion for any gardener. With the right tools, gardening becomes a joy rather than a chore. This set ensures you have everything you need to plant, prune, and nurture your garden effortlessly. Durable, ergonomic, and thoughtfully designed, it transforms every gardening task into a satisfying and productive experience, helping your garden thrive beautifully all year round.